Where the kings and the queens, them there.
Good evening.
Them there. Wagwan. What?
Who there?
We there. What's up? Come in. Good evening as you come in. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good morning. Good night, wherever you are.
Good day.
Wherever you're watching us from.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Hello. How y'all doing? Oh no good? We're good.
We're good, man. We're good. Big up yourself.
Big up on yourself as you come in. Yes. Blessings to you. Juliet Davis, Wagwan. Jackie Ross, Wagwan. Paula
Jackie.
Williams.
Paula.
Latoya. Graham.
Deanna.
Yes, Deanna McLean. Yes. Marcia. Clayton. Yes, Cecile. Jennifer Anderson. Macog. Is that how it's pronounced? Yes.
Hey.
Tamara. Yes.
Love you too, Queen.
Love you too, Jackie Gross. Love you too, Audra. Nationa. Wagwan,
Nationa.
Happy new month, yes.
Yes, happy June.
Happy June. This is Vanilla's month. Tomorrow is Vanilla's birthday. She's going to be even more older than me, so you know, so I have to give the ultimate respect.
Of course, you have to respect your elders, man.
Me no want she shut me down. Yes. Yes, so on a note, yeah, tomorrow is Vanilla big day, our birthday, my love. Yes. The woman, an old woman. You're old.
The ancient man.
You're ancient. So you have had flash.
No.
Yeah. Carolyn. Shane.
Patricia. Shane.
Yes. Sasha. Yes.
Laurel. Laurel.
You're there, Queen. You're there. Patricia.
Thank
Willis.
you.
If I miss nobody, when me look where, hello.
Right.
Hello to you. Good evening. Good evening, queens. Good evening, kings. Yes.
Okay. Good evening.
Good evening. Yeah, man. So what go on with my kings and queens them? Yeah.
Tell we what one.
Elner. Good night. Arlene. Good night. Yes. What go on with Anna? We disappeared for a little bit. We had a long weekend. It was a holiday weekend. So we were out and about. If you guys were here last Wednesday, when we told you guys that we won't be on.
So
tonight. We are back. Yes, we're back tonight.
We're back.
You love watching us?
Thank you.
Well, thank you so much. Thank you. We love having you watching us.
Thank you. Thank you for spending some time with us.
Yes, we need quality time now that we're back, you understand?
Yeah.
Quality time with the family, you understand me? Yes.
Family?
Yes.
We are family.
Go on, Miss.
I know how it goes, but...
You got to take people. You see all you pirate, though, you just pirate people things, so you just know one line.
It don't matter, I still know the one line.
No, sir. She a pirate, you know, Latoya, she a pirate, you know. She said, happy pre-birthday.
Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you.
Yes, feel free. The number pin if you want to call in because we're not there on tomorrow. For Vanilla birthday. So feel free if you want to call her personally and say happy birthday. You're more than welcome to do so. Show my BFF some love. You hear? Yeah, man. Show my BFF some love. She deserves some love because she's a nice and kind person. Believe me, and I become a BFF me telling her so. Wait till I meet her in a real life. I don't know so I'm not just on a bag of mouth. Yes, man, she's one of the nicest person you could ever meet in your life. Yes. Sometimes she's too damn nice. Yes, too
that's
damn
a problem
nice.
Sometimes.
And our problem that. Yes.
That's our biggest weakness.
Biggest weakness, too damn nice. You love put everybody in front of her.
Everybody in front of her.
Yeah, Vanilla, what you want to do for your birthday? We don't have to do anything every year at the same thing. Vanilla, what you want for your birthday? Nothing. You know what I mean? As such she stay. So she stay in her real life. Nothing, she just easy
we got a call.
Nothing about vanilla. Yes. Good night.
Hold on. Get in there.
Lord, you can't.
Hello, good night.
Night, Queen.
Good night,
Queen.
How you doing?
How are you?
I'm doing great. Shakira speaking.
Hi, Shakira.
Hi, Shakira. How you doing, Shakira Queen?
I'm doing good. So, vanilla.
Yes, Queen.
Biscuit.
Huh?
Biscuit.
Biscuit.
Biscuit, yes.
Yes.
Thank you, Auntie.
Mister, what are we auntie get the biscuit stuck from my friend?
Everybody
I
call me
know,
Biscuit.
Jesus,
I
man, auntie.
know.
Yes.
For sure said when we see her in Canada, she'll go, probably call me Biscuit instead of Vanilla.
We're prepared for that.
We prepare for that, yeah.
Yeah,
Keisha Brown,
Vanilla,
big up yourself.
Happy pre-birthday, Miss Vanilla. And
Thank
I hope
you.
you have a wonderful day. I know chocolate have something in store now.
Why them people you can't read me up all night, boy. I don't know what go on with them.
Chocolate have something in store for you tomorrow, Vanilla. Don't worry.
I'm not worried, man. Even if she not do nothing, I'm good.
Yes.
Just
That's how
blessed
she
to
is,
see,
right?
but blessed to see another day. That's all. That's how I'm gonna look upon life. But blessed to see another day.
True.
Yes.
Yeah.
True.
Because
So
there are a lot
have
of
a
people that
great-
would wish they would see tomorrow.
Well, you have to wait till tomorrow.
Yeah, we have to
come
wait till
to
tomorrow.
us.
Well, there are a lot of people that wish they saw it today.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah.
That is
so,
true.
Yeah. But thank you,
Okay,
Queen.
so have a great show, you guys.
All right,
Thank you.
Queen.
Thank you for calling.
Thank you so much for calling. All right, and wishing my friend happy
Okay,
birthday.
bye.
All right,
Thank you
pick
so
up
much.
yourself.
Yes. So,
Bye.
people, I was watching my auntie today.
Oh, we got another call.
Yeah, we have to hold the calls for a minute, guys. We're going to get back to the birthday wishes. All right, go ahead and take that one. Then me tell them what I'm going to tell them. All right? Vivian,
Hello,
said
good night.
happy birthday, Vanilla.
Hello.
Hello, good night.
Happy birthday, Vanilla. All the best, Gemini.
Thank you. You're very low.
Yeah, I'm a Gemini myself. I'm calling from Canada. Hope to see you when you get here.
Yes, man. Yes, man. We'll see you in Canada. Of
Yes,
course.
ma'am. We see you.
All right. Looking forward
All
to
right.
it.
One love.
One love. Bless up yourself.
Lots of
Thank
feel
you,
good. Come on,
Queen.
let me big up my friend. That's so sweet. Yes. So, guys, we did watch Auntie today. And Auntie said people keep showing up our yard and want to use our bathroom. You understand? No bathroom not there. No bathroom not up there. So me type in an Auntie comment to make them know say me a donate diapers to anybody a go up a Auntie go visit up a 99. Una think me did a ramp in a comment. Una really think so me did a play. Eh? Una think me did up under there a give on a joke when everybody a click on it and a laugh. Me did up in there a give on a joke. You understand? Me up in there serious. Yeah. Anybody I got 99, me have diaper, I donate. So I can't stop for ask to go up in my auntie house
See you there.
to go use our bathroom. Yes. These are reusable cloth diapers that comes with insert. Yeah, this thing in here. An insert. And these are adjustable diapers. Can adjust, see? A button, it get bigger, yeah. And it can get smaller. You understand? So if you are like people that way have weak blood that will go up a auntie, if you go use our bathroom, may have the remedy for you. Diapers, we have a donate, and we have training pants. Yeah, what the training pants?
I get it.
Yes. We have them in all different colors. All different. Give me some more colors over here. Pink for the woman. Pink. Yes, we have pink. We have them here too. These have teddy bears on them. And we have extra inserts. Red. Yes.
In case you don't know your ABCs, and
We have the ones with ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. For honor. This teddy bear and stuff. Very cute. Very, very cute. Reusable cloth diapers that comes with insert. So we can give one come with insert and we have extra insert just in case you pee-pee, you want pee-pee 2 times. You pee-pee up this one, you grab it out and you can replace it with another one. You understand? But my advice on don't go and want pee-pee 2 times. Go and want pee-pee 1 time. You understand? Yes. But they're going to give you extra just in case. See? Nice diapers. And it can wash. So if you end up having to go up on 99 more than 1 time, you wash it and wear it the second time, you'll go up on 99. Yes.
All right. And if you don't want the diaper, you can put this on.
Training pants.
Training pants.
Yes.
It have a nice little padding inside, so if you pee-pee, it won't leak.
Yes, if you pee-pee, it won't leak.
It won't leak.
And it has strawberry upon this one.
Yeah.
This one has strawberry. Yeah?
And if you're a king, we have some with dogs. We have some with cars.
Yes. We have them all. Yeah, man. Butterfly.
Whales.
Yes. Whatever you are desire. If you feel like you're Superman, we have the Superman one.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you feel like you're Superman and you go up there for love connection, you have the Superman one right here for you. You understand? Adjustable cloth diapers.
Yeah.
Yes? We have them for everybody. And adjusted will visit 99. Yeah? If you're a little screaming brat, well, love sit down and scream at people in your phone, we have diapers for you too. You understand?
If you have temper tantrums.
Yeah, if you love throw tantrum, we have some diapers for you too.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
And training pants, training pants, yes.
Yes.
See, one training pant here, it have a ladybug punny.
Yes. We have diapers for everybody.
Or you can have a frog.
Yes.
You want to look like if you want a frog, you can have a frog.
Right. And they're very stylish. You can wear this one with a nice marina. You understand?
Black.
Yeah, you can wear this with a nice marina.
Yeah.
You don't have to wear no pants, no nothing. Them are stylish. Them are not a disposable one. Them are a stylish one. All you need with these is just a tank top or a marina. You understand? We have diapers to take care of everybody who needs a friggin' diapers.
We don't left nobody out.
Nobody else.
We make sure we take care of everybody.
Right. We have all the whining brats and social media covered. We have you all covered. You understand? So stop make people, for all the people that will love get put people business on top of their head and piss up themselves, we got you covered. You understand?
Yeah.
When love come out and throw a pissy fit, we got you covered with diaper. Reusable cloth diapers to keep you nice and dry. Yes? And we have for the people them that love to go up to Mountain View and ask to use our anti-bathroom. No bathroom.
No more bathroom. We have you covered.
It's a house without bathroom. So, we're providing diapers for all the people that will love to go up there, go ask with auntie for piss in our bathroom. We don't take strange pisses in our bathroom. Neither does 99. Huh? We got to cover. Commercial, yes.
All areas are covered.
All areas are covered, yes. For all the people them where show a tantrum over my auntie big nice mansion and a piss up themselves, yes, and a leak. We have diapers for you. We got you covered. Yes. We got you covered. Yes.
And just in case, we have Mickey Mouse too.
Yes.
We have Mickey Mouse.
Yes. Everybody, we are piss up over my papa in-laws and my auntie, we got you covered. These are the inserts. Inserts for the diapers. And we have extra inserts. Extra. To keep you...
Just in case.
To keep you perfectly dry. Yes. And if you want, we can throw in some powder and some what? Desitin.
Yeah.
That's it in for the rashes. Yes. Prevent you from getting rash.
We got all areas taken care of.
All areas taken care of.
Yeah.
That's
all
what we
areas
are here to do. To take care of y'all. Yes. 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 Inserts. Inserts. We have big pile of these. We have over approximately 400 diapers. Yes? We have approximately 400 diapers. We have approximately, I want to say, between 200 to 300 training pants. We just pick these out to show you samples, but that's the amount we have to donate. You understand?
And the training pants go from small to large.
It goes from small to large. So if you're mager, you don't have no problem. No problem at all. If you're mager. Yes.
And again, the diapers adjust. So if you're mager, you want it bigger?
Yes.
You can make it bigger.
You can make it.
It adjusts to you.
Yes. And it have room, enough room in there for the itsy bitsy, teeny weeny, yes, little, tingles. Yes.
For the tingles.
For the tingles. Enough rooms in there to have the tingles breathe. Yes, yes, yes. We're good for the advertising, do we? Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
man, we got you all.
Purple.
We got everybody taken care
Purple,
of.
see? Snap, snap. Pull apart. You can make it big. Right out here. If you're a thick one, that pissing up yourself over my auntie, yes, we can make it big for you. If you're a thick one, if you're a thickum, if you're a thickum, yes, we can make it big for you. If you're a thickum, yes, yes. If you're a skinnyum, we can make it skinny for you. Yes.
And if you're short, you can adjust it down here.
Yes.
If you're short.
See,
if you're tall, you can carry it up.
Yeah,
so you can bring it down or you can carry it up.
You say big now? All right. I'm going to make it for the skinny ones. Yeah? Yes. The skinny ones. Yes. The skinny one will miss quite a few meals. Here we go. Here we go. May I get it for you? May I get it for you? May I get it for you? Yes. Yes. May I get it for you, man? How skinny are you? Right up here. Right here. Here. See? I make it smaller for you. Yes. Yes.
Or you can make it really small.
Really small, like Vanilla have it. Yes.
Yeah.
We have them all available for you. Yes.
We think of everything, you know.
We think of everything. We got your cover. If you need bibs,
we got them.
We got the bibs. Vanilla, you want to grab a couple bibs?
Yeah, man.
Please grab a couple bibs. Please grab a couple bibs. We have the bibs them too. If you're going to cry and throw a tantrum and your mouth are going to run, you understand? Or if you got shot too much and a lot of water are going to fall out and foam, we have the bibs them. We have the one we catch the saliva in there too. Vanilla. Get them one there. Get a couple of them one there. We can catch them and we have them in a brand new. You understand? Guess what kind of brand we have? We have them in a Hello Kitty. Yes! Hello Kitty. We have them in a Hello Kitty. We're going to show you the cuteness of we have for all the little babies. You know? Adult babies. Yes! We have everything for the adult babies out there. Yes! Yes! We come for Okuna up tonight. Tonight. Yes. Tonight we come to Okuna up. Start for all the people that's throwing a tantrum. Yes, yes. Tired to see you now wet up on yourself. Me know, you know? Yes. Not spend too much on diapers. And I dispose them. Waste some money. We are giving you something you can use over and over. You understand? We are helping you out for all this pissy situation. You understand? All the pissy situation. We're here to take care of your pissy situation. Yes! Yes! The pissy situation. Yes! And if you don't want to do that for yourself, you know, you can't do it. They know someone want to do that for yourself. Yes! You can't do it right in this store. Hey, it's good for both pissy and shitty. Yes! 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 Got to know covered. Got to know covered. Yes. Oh, you're not bringing one with you. Oh, yes. I don't want you. Here we go. Here we go. See, everything in a plastic. Brand new. We're not, you know, Nothing.
No dibby dibby.
Not dibby, nothing. Ha. The one here at the Hello Kitty. Yeah? See? And it is, what them call this again? What they use to this?
Silicone.
Silicone. This one is silicone where you can wipe off. You don't have to worry about washing it. So you see when all them pit come out, it a drop down in that. You have the little part you have to catch it. The little part you have to catch it. Right down in there, so. You have
See the one here?
Catching part.
Yeah,
Yes.
the one here. You can put your arms in it.
Yes.
You wrap it around your neck. You have Velcro, so it adjusts for big neck, small neck, all
kind
kinds
of neck. The one here is a whole outfit. So imagine.
And they have, in case you drool too much, they have a pocket. It will catch the drool.
Just think about this with all a pink diaper. I go up a mountain view. You understand? You have your bib on and your diaper. You understand? No need for bother, my auntie. Here, we got to know covered. Yes.
That's for the queens. We have for the kings too. Don't feel left out, kings. We got you too.
We got
the blue.
We got the blue.
And if you want, you can wear the jeans one
with the blue. This is a jeans diaper. Which man ever say jeans diaper? Come on now. I mean, we got
you covered on every angle taken care of.
Ukuno up.
Yeah.
Jeans diaper. Let me show you the jeans. Bad like a yards. Yeah. Think about this. With a little white beater. You know the marina? Yes, the little marina. Although you know no muscle. You want them when me say a piece up themselves, not have no muscle. But that's okay.
No worry yourself.
No worry yourself. That's okay. Yes. See? Jeans one.
You see the insert comes in different colors?
So the insert
we have the white and we have the gray.
Me that suggest though, when you have that, not the pissy situation, the other situation.
The streaky situation.
The streaky situation, you wear the darker color.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
You're more likely to hide it.
You're more likely to hide the streakiness. You know what I mean? Yes, yes. Got to know cover.
And
we
have
got to
them
know cover.
Too.
Got to know cover. See? So, yeah. For the one them, we look like monkey, we have the monkey bib. Yes, got the monkey bib.
For those that are always depressed and upset, we have one little smiley face.
Yes, for the one
that
that auntie house, a mad and you're depressed and you always just have a mad face. We have a smiley face.
We have something for you, man.
We have the smiley face here for put a little sunshine in your life. Yes? Yeah. We have all the adult babies covered. Yes, we have all the adults.
Covered from head to toe.
From head to toe. Oh, we have little hats too.
We have socks too.
We have a little hat. Them we need to show them a little hat, man.
Let me see if I can find
we want a little hat. Yes, we got to know covered. When we say covered, we mean covered from head to toe. We have all socks, matching socks. So we have the outfit per lock. Anything for top, bottom, me auntie, we got it. You understand? Yes, we take care of your entire outfit for upper 99, and for the one that will love sit down and pee over me auntie. Yeah, we got you covered. We got to know. Let me say. We got to know covered. 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 Yes! Yes! We are here to take care of y'all. All of y'all! Yes! Auntie, don't you worry. Nobody will ask you from now on to use your bathroom. We're here for you. We got your back. Yes! We got your back. We got your back. Ah, for the Superman them, yes. And the Superman, one of my favorite, this, you know. The Superman. Yes. When they will feel like they can fly up all the time. You understand? Fly up on everybody. Superman diaper for you. Specially made for you. Yes. I'm not happy, no. I'm not going to be happy. No, I'm not going to be happy. Yes. I'm going to be happy. Yes. The day I have to take care of my needs. So no stand for all the people them will peep up themselves and I do up themselves over me auntie. I got to know. What I know on the pan ya whole night into tomorrow. will be secure. Yes, your bathroom part will be taken care of. Yes, 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 yes. What do you know? I want to know. What I think when they don't look out for you? Yeah, I joke on our make. Well, look out for you. Look out for you. Yes. Madella, hurry up with the hat and the socks them. Yes, hurry up. Yes. Don't forget, we have training pants. Yes, we have training pants too. Yes. If you want them was still in a diaper and want to graduate out of diaper, we have the training pants for y'all. Yeah? When a party train. Yes. Yes. I'm not come here and cry too much, man. Kick up on a tantrum and go on. Me know, sir, I don't just need a little bit of TLC, tender, loving care. And we got to know. We got it for luck. We got it for luck. All right.
Some little socks.
All right. We got some little socks. This one.
You can't.
Yeah, me I bust them. In a business. Me I bust them for them. One then get the whole picture. We have little socks. Yes. And they have little bunnies on the front. See? Little bunnies. Keep your feet nice and warm.
This one has a little puss.
Especially,
and they have grips on the bottom so you don't have to worry about your feet are slip, man.
Especially in the winter time when I'm out there, I crucify my auntie and it'll be nice and warm. You understand? Outside. Got to know. Yes! Toes will be nice and warm. Yes. We got to know covered. We also like a Converse, you know. We also like a Converse. It's not just socks. We think for the snowy days too, you know. The days when it's gonna snow. Because a lot of people curse my auntie from the snow states. So we have some little Converse for you guys. Yes!
We got you taken care of. And again, it has a grip on the bottom, man.
Yes!
We got you taken care of. You don't have to worry about falling in the snow.
You're not to worry about
You're not
falling in the snow.
No.
No. They're great, nice like a Converse, see? Nice like a Converse for y'all. When you're not out there in the snow time, you understand? And for people who want to kick around dolly and stuff, them one you can kick around dolly in them. And you don't have to worry if you're going to hurt your foot or hurt somebody. You understand? You can kick as high as you want.
We have some more of the silicone.
Yes.
We have yellow.
Yellow. Look on the one here. Pretty. Yes. Yes. Put a little joy in the life. For all the adult kids out there. Who can't seem to get it together. We got to the covered. We got to the covered. Yes. Yes.
Hold on, man. We got one more.
Yes. And we have these in a red. The Converse in a red. We have them in white.
Pink.
Right? And we
no, not white. Pink.
Oh, we don't
red,
have no white.
Pink. Gray.
Yeah. Red, pink, gray.
Black.
I want black. You see the inventory woman, she know enough. She
don't forget this one.
Yes.
They have a nice cup too in case you drool too much.
Yes.
Yeah.
When things are run out of your mouth, you understand. Over people business, yes. You can catch it right in the cup right in here. Tell them this soon just you know what I mean? Just on the peak just go everywhere, so. Here. Yes. Here we go. All right. Let's see now. These are wash guard. You understand? Wash guard. Some of you may don't wash on a wig and don't wash on a ear. Maybe you're afraid for the water getting on the eyes. Here we go. We got the perfect solution. You put this on over your head, over your right ear, and you can wash your wig. You understand? If it can't come off. Because some of them look like they can't come off. You understand? Don't you worry. You don't have to walk around with no molly wigs anymore.
And you don't have to worry, like she said, you don't have to worry about the water getting in your eye because it protects your eyes.
This will protect your eyes. So all who did afraid for wash them here we go. We got the perfect solution for you. We have it in yellow and we have it in pink. Ah! Love! Me happy for this Christmas. Ah. All right. Here we go now again. Here we go. Here we go. Now, sometimes you look tired, they don't look too good. You look a clad and a cut off I sheet them and the curtain bottom and tie up on the head with say goodbye to that.
Yeah.
No more.
No more.
No more. We got little cute polka dot hats for you. Yes, yes, yes.
And it has a string so you can tie it under your head.
Under your chin. So when you're
you
out
don't
there,
have to worry about the wind blowing it off.
when you're out there and chat mommy auntie and breeze a blow on, you're not have to worry.
Yeah.
The string will keep it in place. Yes. The string will keep it in place.
We got you covered,
Then,
man.
just put it on. Yes, like I see. Put it on. Come vanilla, make her put it on. Put it on and put the string under here. And there you go. You can chat on the auntie now and shake your head and everything.
No,
yes, yes. You know, she needs to come out and tell them what they are bruised. 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 Yes. See it? You're not going nowhere. We should keep that on. Yeah, keep them on. Vanilla. Yes. Yes. They are bruised. They are bruised. She needs to tell them about they are bruised. They are bruised. They are bruised. Yes. See? Now move. Got to no cover.
Secure.
Got to no cover. Good night,
And
Duval.
it's stretchy.
All right, good night. We got everything unlocked.
All angles covered.
All angles covered for y'all. Yes? Like how someone love where at, and they just bring it down. You see it? Yes, like that. Like so. Yeah.
This is a bib.
Yes,
This
big.
is a bib.
Big.
But if you have stinking breath, you can just make it into a mask to cover your stinking breath.
Yeah. You can work in a mask?
Yeah, man. It can work in a mask and you can snap it behind your head.
You can snap it behind your head?
Yeah.
Okay.
Instead of under your neck,
Yeah.
cover your mouth.
Okay.
We don't want no stinking breath.
When you go visit the auntie, you
Yes,
cover.
you cover your mouth.
Cover your mouth.
Cover your stinking
Cover
mouth.
your mouth. Yes. 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 And we are working on handcuffs. So cuff when I ask before I got 99, so nobody want to try to rub the oil on my auntie. You understand? We are working on the cuffs.
Yeah. Everything. We got everything covered.
We got everything covered. We are cuff on the ass before I go up there. So the hand cannot be moved. We got her. When we say we got her, we got her.
Got her.
On the name, believe we. I better not believe tonight. We got
All
them.
angles covered.
All angles covered. Yes. It sits still and firm. The hat sits still and firm. It firm like bring it. It's firm. Firm. Yes. We got to know covered. You understand?
From head to toe.
From head to toe. Alright. But anyways. Wanna like everything so far what we have for them? Wanna like everything so far? May I ask? Is there anything we're missing?
Did we forget nothing?
Did we forget anything? Eh? We miss anything? Huh? I'ma tell you. May I read the comment? We miss nothing?
We forget nothing?
We forget nothing? What you think the adult child them are gonna need? Huh? Eh? We work on
A pacifier.
pacifier.
Yeah, we need something for shoving them out.
Yeah, pacifier.
For shut them up.
Yeah, pacifier. All right.
We need a pacifier.
We're gonna work on the pacifier.
For shut them up.
Yes.
Yeah.
But yeah, wipes. That's a wipes. Wipes. We need wipes for them. Alright, we need wipes. Yes, we need some wipes. Yes. We have it desitin.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, and powder. We have the powder. Alright, we need wipes. Not everything. Somebody say no, everything cover. A scooter. The wipes. Me think newspaper good enough for them.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Newspaper good enough for them. Yes. When I buy them,
Then they need no wipes. They can just use this and wipe themselves.
Yeah, they can use the insert.
They can use this and wipe themselves.
But anyway, people, we bring all of these out because we are looking for like a kids charity to donate these stuff to. So if anybody knows of a charity that we can donate these diapers, excuse me, if you know of a charity that we can donate some diapers to and baby stuff, please let us know. We're looking for a legit children's home something. All right. We have approximately 400 of these diapers, and we have a lot of baby stuff that from old inventory that we are that we want to donate. So all these stuff that we show you guys tonight, we're looking for a children's center or a children's home to donate diapers to. These are reusable cloth diapers, and we know that this is going to save that children's home a lot of money in terms of diapers, because these are reusable, they're washable, they're breathable, and these are great quality, environmentally friendly. So we would like to donate all of this to a children's home. But of course, we had to have some fun with
Of course, we had to entertain.
Yeah, of course, we have to have some fun.
I mean, if you know somebody who needs it.
Yeah. So we the number we always pin our number. That's the number you can text us on if you know of a children's home that could use all these stuff. We're getting rid of all the baby stuff that we carry because we started with baby stuff back in what, 2012? 2014. Yeah. Okay. And these are some inventory that we have from the baby line that we would like to donate to a charity.
Yes.
Yes? We could easily donate it here, but on a normal steer. I want to donate it to my people. Yes? It's not about money for me. Yeah? It's about making a difference in the lives of others. Yes? It's not always about money. Although them come on you and them love cuss people, say everybody come on social media for money. You know what I mean? I don't know why people have a problem with people being monetized. It's not like you're on here doing something illegal. And then cuss people for stars and all of that. Like, me ever wall up anybody out there and tell them to send me stars on the talkie truth? Huh? You know what I'm saying? Yes. So, we would love to find a children's home to donate these wonderful, beautiful, as you can see, they're nice stuff. We
they're
just
quality.
Show them to you guys. Yes? And this is just a small fraction of what we have. We have a huge inventory of these things.
We do.
Yes, that we would like to bless some children home with. All right? Yes. But back to Vanilla. Tomorrow is her birthday. Yes, and I want y'all to wish my girl, my BFF, a happy birthday. Yes. And I hope you guys who haven't already bought your tickets to the award, I hope you do so. Remember, we're in today's the 1st of June, and we would love to see you there. Yes, we would love to see you there. We would love to meet as many of you as possible. And if you're not able to make it, just make sure you tune in to our live. We're going to try to broadcast of as much of it as possible so that you guys will have a chance to see it. I'm sure everybody are gonna be on them live, you know what I mean? So just make sure you watch. We're not gonna say you have to be on for we live. You know we stay already. We're not force nobody to do nothing, you understand, but we're just letting you know we're gonna try to bring it to you guys so you guys can see as much as possible, right? Yes. Yes. They said happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Yes. Good night, Audrey Shaw. Big up yourself from
Good
Trinidad.
night, Audrey.
Babette, Richard, big up yourself. The number is in the comment. If you click on see more, no, you shouldn't have to click on see more. Oh, you'll have to.
You do.
Click on see more. You'll see that number. It's WhatsApp only. We're now gonna open up back the phone line. If you were trying to call before and you didn't get us, that's because we had closed the phone line. Vanilla is about to open it, so if you feel free to call in and chat to us. All right, when they have no topic, this is what we want to talk about tonight, and this is what we want to give away to some lucky kids out there.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I don't like to use the word unfortunate. Yeah, lucky. Yeah. All right, we get some phone calls. Hello, good night.
Hold on.
I make your answer because your birthday.
Hello, good night.
Good night, Miss Vanilla.
Good night, Queen.
Calling to wish you a happy birthday. I may not have any credit tomorrow to call, so I'm calling from now.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
And enjoy and have a blessed day.
Thank you. I will.
To you.
All right. Thank you. Bless you too.
See.
Alright, and tell Chocolate Tim would I take some of them pampers there right now for me baby.
Okay. Well, you know my number, so you know how to get in touch with
I will
me.
call you offline.
All right. Yes, man. You know my
Alright,
number,
yeah.
so you guys can reach
Yeah.
out, and I'll try to figure something out for y'all. All right.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you, Queen.
Yes. All right. Miss Cece said happy birthday.
Thank you, Cece.
Yes. Our dad says happy birthday. Sandra Spencer says happy birthday.
Thank you, everybody.
Gillies
Thank you. We got another call.
Parchment says happy birthday. Cordella.
Hello. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Vanilla.
Yes,
Happy
Queen.
birthday.
Thank you.
It's Babette from Toronto, Canada.
Oh,
Thank you,
Babette. Big up yourself,
Big
Babette.
up.
How you doing, Babette? Yes, guys, and Babette, she vlogs. What's the name of your page, Babette?
One and wash the other.
One and wash the other. Check out Babette on her page. One and wash the other. Is it all one word?
Yeah, it's one word.
Okay, all right. Big up Babette and thank you.
Thank you,
I'm
Babette.
waiting for you. I'm waiting for you guys in Canada here, Toronto.
Okay, you gonna come with the award?
Yeah, me no live in Canada.
Oh, I don't know. Look how many people live in Canada. I don't know if you come, missus. You coming?
Yeah, me want one of it before I go. I need one of the purple diaper because me piss and poo up myself.
Oh, okay.
Oh, no. Don't
Hi.
poo up yourself. No, don't poo up yourself. No. It's only for the brats. You're not a brat, all right?
Big up on yourself, all
Big
right?
up
Big
yourself.
up. Thank
Big
you,
up
Queen.
yourself. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, you're getting so many birthday wishes, Vanilla.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Good night, Queen.
And good night, my queen. Just calling you to wish you a happy early birthday.
Thank you.
And
Thank
I
you
pray
so
that
much.
you will have a healthy, a safe, and a blessed one.
Yes, thank you very much.
And that sound like
my
Juliet. Big up yourself.
Juliet, of course.
All right, I know that
Please,
voice.
don't
Thank
make me
you.
laugh, your belly sore.
Ah, you laugh so much. Oh my God.
Oh my God, you girls are so funny.
Thank you, Queen.
Thank you,
Oh my
Queen.
God.
Vanilla,
You both have a blessed one.
Thank you.
Thank
You
you,
too,
thank
Queen.
you.
Thank you so much.
Sharon
All right.
Hamilton, Rhonda, Margaret, Genevieve, something like that. That's how it's pronounced. Carol, Monique, Lisa. They're
Oh,
all
thank
wishing
you,
you a
thank you,
happy
everybody.
birthday. And
Thank
I'm
you.
sure I passed some on
Thank
the
you,
way.
everybody.
Yes.
Thank you, all kings and queens.
Ingrid.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Oh my God, so many people. Pinky
Thank
K.
you. Thank you.
Good
Thank
night,
you. Thank
Pinky
you.
K.
Hey, Pinky K.
Thank you guys so much for wishing my BFF a happy
Yes,
birthday.
thank you. Thank you for spending my pre-birthday with me.
Yes. We will be back on Saturday. We're coming on
Yes.
Saturday, all right? Yes, we're coming on Saturday, definitely Sunday. You know, we do our praise and worship and we give away
Absolutely.
credits on Sunday. Yes, I know we're never long. Never. You understand, but we just give what we have genuinely.
Yes.
We're not gonna sit here and try to create anything. You understand? We just come with ourselves authentically. We don't have to be long.
This is who we are.
We just give what we have that is real. That's
Yeah.
it. You understand? So, wanna text me, call me, whatever you want to do in terms of these diapers. If you don't know some place that we can donate it to, we will take care of everything to make sure it gets to kids who can really use these.
Right.
And our families that can save from using these. All right? That's what we're here to do, to make a difference in the lives of others, no matter how small or how big it might be. That's just us. Chocolate and vanilla. And for crack on up, yeah? And as long as we put a smile on our face tonight, mission accomplished.
That's right.
Yes. Mission accomplished. Oh, somebody did a call, but they hung up. Yes, mission accomplished. So yes, I'm hoping to see all who's gonna be in Canada. Yes, please, free. Don't get no nervous. We're not celebrity. We're just queens like you guys. And for the kings too, just please come over. If we don't see you, don't think we're going like we're not seeing you.
Don't think we're stuck
we not stay so.
No,
don't be afraid for come over and come lay upon me.
Of course,
like
we want a hug.
Pan bread. You hear me? Like butter pan bread.
Yes.
And that mean like butter pan bread. Yes. No matter how cute me look, come hug me up. You now mash me up. Mash me up if you want. Yes.
We're not break. We're not break.
Yes. Mash me up if you want. Yes. Yes. I'm excited. And I can't wait. I can't wait for meet my auntie.
Yeah.
I'm a Papa and Lord. Yes.
Lady
I'm
V.
a sister, Lady V.
Yes.
Yes. I'm excited, guys. Yes. So support the thing. Missy people are trying to tear it down left, right, and center. But if God builds something, nobody can tear it down.
That's right.
You understand? If God says love, nobody can say hate.
If God says yes, nobody can say no.
When God says yes, nobody can say no. You understand? And that's how the thing's set. Yes, and I'm praying that God will protect us all, be a fence around us, keep us safe, let nothing come in our ways to obstruct such a beautiful event. And I know God is in control of that, and so is the Canadian police.
Absolutely.
And the undercover bodyguards. Yes, so we are in for a good time, and I cannot wait. We can't wait for some Auntie Osi.
Right.
Yes. Yes, and
I'm excited for her. I'm happy for her.
Yes, because God bless, no man curse. And we should always be happy and uplift each other when we see each other do good things. You understand? And I know if the people them out there were kick up rumpus, if they were doing something productive. You understand? We're on this phone.
Oh, sorry, Miss. Call the number that's
Miss Princess, we're on. Yeah, call us on the number that's pinned.
For the live.
We're on the phone with the live. Miss Princess, go ahead and call us on that phone. You have our number in there.
I don't have it.
After the call, Miss Princess, we're on the phone with the live that you're calling. Call us on the number that's pinned.
Click see more, and you can call us from that number.
Click on see more, Miss Princess, and call us from that number. That's pinned in the comments. Yeah. Yes, we'll be there cheering her on.
Of course.
Cheering for everyone, but you know, say me did it for support my good up auntie. Yes, and I saw it in set. And I saw it a go be. Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes. So, Miss Princess, you were trying to call us. I don't know if you were what you know, I don't know. I want to give you the opportunity to speak if you were trying to speak on the live. But you're calling the wrong number.
Yeah, you have to call the number that's pinned, please.
Yes. Yes.
Please call the number that's pinned.
Yes. Like I said, guys, you know what? God bless, no man curse. And no matter how they're throwing stone and all kinds of things at this award show, God is in control. And, you know, we're not listening to the noise. It's a great thing. And they cannot minimize something that is so awesome. You know what I'm saying? Because this is a great thing that's happening, and it's a great opportunity for our auntie to be on the international stage. You know, no matter it's not BET, no matter if it's not the Emmys and the Grammys, you gotta start somewhere. You understand? So,
who God bless,
you
no
know,
man
we
curse.
are excited. We're excited as if it's the Grammy, because what? Our Jamaican sister is gonna be up there representing, and we are gonna be behind her, cheering for her on, like we should do. And if some of these people, instead of spewing negativity and drama and hate, if they were doing something productive, we would be out here cheering for them in the same manner. But they chose a different path and will not leave that path in tearing down each other.
True.
And that's something we don't support.
Nope.
Yes. All right. Yes. Yes. Good night, Novlet. Good night.
Good evening, Novlet.
Good night. Yes. So, big up on yourself. Me love on her, and there's nothing you can do about it. Reach out to Miss Princess for your tickets if you haven't already done so. Is there, what is the information? We don't even have it.
I don't have it.
I don't know it off the top of my head, but it's on our page. We posted the flyer on our page. Auntie have it on our page. So is Your Majesty, Lady V.
Lady V.
Has it. Dr. Love has it on his page. So there are multiple places that you can go and get the information in order to reach out to Miss Princess and get your tickets. We still have that.
You can go to the IWAA. It's IWA Awards.
We still have that room up for grab. Tonight is the last night that you can reach out to us to get that room. We're gonna leave the phone on, so anybody that first calls us and want that room to spend overnight, it's still up, right? Nobody has said submit any ticket stub. So that's this is the last opportunity. We're not gonna mention it again. We just gonna leave it there. All right. So with that being said, you guys have a blessed night.
Have a blessed night. Thank you all for the birthday wishes. Much appreciated.
Yes, thank you guys for wishing my BFF happy birthday. We appreciate it. If we didn't see your comment,
we apologize.
We apologize.
Yes.
All right, Audra, you're back. Where were you, Audra? You run boat. You run guy neighbor yard. You're gone over the neighbor yard.
You get caught.
You get caught. You get caught. You run boat. You walk boat. That should have had to bite you. Yeah. You run boat. Yeah. All right, guys. I love you guys. See you guys back here on Saturday night. Miss Princess, we're getting off right now, so if you want to call us, we can, whatever it is, we can do it again Saturday night for you.
Absolutely.
All right? Take care of yourself, guys. I love you.
Take care, everybody. Thank you again for the birthday wishes. Have a blessed night.
Yeah, I make a flower. Good
love
night.
you guys. Bye-bye.